Hi there, I'm Teacher Anna. Welcome to English Mind, the channel where you learn English step by step in a fun and easy way. Today, you'll learn how to introduce yourself in English, even if you're just starting. Let's go.
Hi, my name is Lucas. Or, I am Lucas. I'm confused.
Don't worry, Lucas. That's a great question. You can say, my name is Lucas, or I'm Lucas. Both are correct.
Oh, okay. My name is Lucas. I'm Lucas. Easy.
Now you. Say your name with me. My name is... Great. Now, I'm... Perfect.
Hi. What I say?
Okay, Julia. You can say, hi, I'm Julia. Let's try.
Hi. I'm Julia.
Perfect. You can also say where you're from and your occupation. For example, I'm from the USA. I work as a teacher. You can also say your age. I'm 27 years old. How about you? Now let's practice with a full conversation.
Hi. What's your name?
My name is Julia. What's your name?
I'm Lucas. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from, Julia?
I'm from New York. What about you?
I'm from New York too. How old are you?
I'm 7 years old. And you?
I'm 7 years old.
Now you. Repeat after me. Hello, what is your name? My name is... Nice to meet you. Where are you from? I'm from... How old are you? I am... years old. Great!
Hi, what's your name?
Hi, my name is Emma. What's your name?
I'm Justin. Nice to meet you, Emma.
Nice to meet you too, Justin. How old are you?
I'm 14 years old. And you?
I'm 10. Where are you from?
I'm from New York. What about you?
I'm from California. What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue. What's yours?
Mine is pink. What do you like to do?
I like to play soccer and draw. You?
I like to read books and play with my dog. What's your favorite food?
I love pizza. What about you?
I like hamburgers. What's your favorite sport?
I really like soccer. Do you play any sports?
Yes, I love volleyball.
That's awesome. Let's be friends.
Yes, let's!
Hello, class. Today we learned how to ask and answer some questions to introduce ourselves. Let's repeat Justin and Emma's conversation. I'll repeat Justin's lines and you'll repeat Emma's. Okay? Let's go. Hi, what's your name? I'm Justin. Nice to meet you, Emma. I'm 14 years old. And you? I'm from New York. What about you? My favorite color is blue. What's yours? I like to play soccer and draw. You? I love pizza. What about you? I really like soccer. Do you play any sports? That's awesome. Let's be friends. Great job. Now let's learn some of the questions they used. When we want to know someone's favorite color, we ask, "What's your favorite color?" You can answer, "My favorite color is purple." When we want to know what food someone likes, we say, "What's your favorite food?" And answer, "My favorite food is hamburger." To ask about sports, we say, "What's your favorite sport?" And answer, "My favorite sport is volleyball." Very good. Now, we can also ask about someone's parents. To ask what their parents do, we say, "What do your parents do?" We can answer like this. My mother is a cook. My father is a dentist. Now I'm going to introduce myself. Hi, my name is Anna. I'm 28 years old and I'm from California. I work as a teacher. My mom is a cook and my dad is a dentist. I have 3 siblings and we share many great memories together. In my free time, I enjoy playing the guitar and spending time outdoors. My favorite sport is volleyball, and I love a good hamburger. Oh, and my favorite color is purple. I'm always excited to meet new people and hope to connect with those who share similar interests. Let's practice our English by answering some simple questions. I will write some questions and there is only one correct answer. Let's go. Great job today. You learned how to introduce yourself in English using simple sentences. Now it's time to practice. Write in the comments. Hi, my name is, and I'm from. I'll read your comments and maybe say your name in the next video. If you liked this lesson, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any new lessons. And share this video with a friend who also wants to learn English. This is just the beginning. Let's keep learning together here at English Mind. See you next time. Bye-bye, and keep practicing.